Good morning, all of you. This is Rachana Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mahavi University, Muradabad. In my last lecture, I have described so many things related to teacher education. Now, in the present lecture, I am concluding all the ideas into this summary. So, let us go for it. Pre-service teacher education focuses on the preparation of prospective teachers before they enter the teaching profession. It includes a structured curriculum that integrates theoretical knowledge and practical experiences, ensuring that teacher candidates acquire the necessary skill, competencies, and attitudes. This phase involves rigorous coursework, field experiences, and student teacher practicum, aiming to equip future educators with a foundation of pedagogy, subject matter expertise, and classroom management. Continuous assessment and reflective practices are integral to pre-service teacher education, fostering the development of reflective and effective teachers. When I talk about, on the other hand, in-service teacher education target the professional development of the practicing teachers. This ongoing education helps them to stay updated with the latest educational research, methodologies, and technologies. In-service programs include workshops, seminars, online courses, advanced courses, and collaborative learning opportunities. The goal is to enhance teachers' skill, address emerging changes and challenges in education, and to promote lifelong learning. They also support them in improving their instructional practices, thereby positively impacting students' learning and achievement. A good teacher embodies a range of qualities including deep subject knowledge, effective communication skills, empathy, patience, and adaptability. They inspire and motivate them to foster a love for learning and create a positive and inclusive classroom environment. Good teachers are also lifelong learners, continuous seeking to improve their teaching practices and staying current with educational trends. Quality management in teacher education encompasses functions such as curriculum design, faculty development, student support, and program evolution. It ensures that teacher education programs meet high standard, adhere to accreditation requirements, and continuously improve through data-driven decision making. While focusing on these functions, quality management aims to prepare competent and effective educators, enhance educational outcomes, and adapt to the evolving needs of education sector. Teacher education encompasses a range of practices and concepts aimed at preparing individuals for effective teaching roles. It includes both pre-service and in-service training, each serving distinct purpose in the professional development of educators. Understanding these components, along with the quality of a good teacher and the functions of quality management, provides a comprehensive view of how teacher education contributes to education excellence. Now, I am describing all the topics in brief. Pre-service teacher education. It is the foundational training provided to individuals before they enter in the teaching profession. This phase is very crucial for equipping future teachers with the essential knowledge, skills, and experiences needed for effective teaching. It typically involves a combination of theoretical instruction and practical experiences. Theoretical instruction covers educational psychology, pedagogical theories, and subject-specific knowledge, helping candidates understand how students learn and how to plan and deliver lessons effectively. Practical experiences is Experience is gained through methods such as micro-teaching, where parents practice in simulated environment, and field placements, including internship and students teaching, where they apply their skills in classroom setting under the guidance of experienced educators. Now I'm coming on in-service teacher education. Focuses on the continuous professional development of teachers who are already in the field. This training aims to help them to stay current with the latest education practices, methodologies, and technology. Techniques used in service training include professional development workshops and seminars, which offer hands-on experience and updation on new strategies and tools. Peer collaboration and professional learning communities allow the teachers to share best practices and solve common challenges together. Mentoring and coaching provide personalized support to address specific needs and enhance teaching effectiveness. Online professional development offers flexible learning opportunities through e-learning module and webinars. Additionally, action research and inquiry-based learning encourage teachers to investigate and improve their own practices, while educational conferences and conventions provide opportunities for learning from experts to networking with peers. Now I'm coming on my next topic, the concept of good teacher. The concept of good teacher is central to both pre-service as well as in-service teacher education. A good teacher is characterized by deep understanding of their subject matter, effective learning practices, and the ability to create a supportive and engaging learning environment. Qualities such as sympathy, adaptability, and strong communication skills are essential to meet the diverse needs of the students. Good teachers also reflective practitioners continuously assess and improve their teaching methods based on feedback and outcome. Now my next point was quality management. Quality management in teacher education involves various functions aimed at ensuring that teacher preparation programs are effectively meet high standards. These functions includes curriculum design and development, accreditation and certification, faculty recruitment and development, and student support. Curriculum design involves aligning educational content with national and international standards, ensuring their relevance and rigor, and integrating theory and practice. Accreditation and certification ensure that programs meet established standard and prepare candidates for license. Faculty recruitment focuses on hiring qualified instructor and providing ongoing professional development. Student support includes rigorous admissions criteria, academic support services, and practical field experiences. Now my next thing is other functions of quality management include instructional quality, evaluation and assessment, and continuous improvement. Instructional quality involves employing diverse teaching methods and regularly assessing students' performance. Evaluation and assessment ensure that programs are effective through internal and external assessment and tracking graduate success. Continuous improvement relies on data-driven decision making and fostering innovation and research in teaching practices. Stakeholder engagement involves collaborating with the schools and education authorities in incorporating feedback from students, faculty, and employees. Resources management ensure adequate facility, technology and financial resources to support program quality. Policy compliance and government ensure adherence to education policies and effective program oversight. Now, in summary, I will say teacher education involves comprehensive training for future and current educators aimed at developing effective teaching skills and maintaining high education standard. Pre-service education provides foundational knowledge and practical experiences, while in-service education focuses on ongoing professional development. The concept of good teacher encompasses both personal and professional qualities essential for successful teaching. It also, in teaching education, ensure that programs are well designed, accredited, and continuously improved, ultimately contributing to the overall effectiveness and excellence of the education system. This is all about the summary of the second block. Now, in my further lecture, I will start the block 2. Thank you. Thank you so much.